Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video, I'm going to answer the question, what is an LVL? You may have seen that, your builder may have told you that, you might see it on your plans like 11.25 LVL. Like, what in the hell is that? LVL stands for laminated veneer lumber, and that probably doesn't explain it to you. What it means is there are a lot of little sheets of plywood that are all glued together to make a beam. When you see LVL, you should think, oh, that's a beam. Okay, good, perfect. So it is a big piece of timber that spans a length and is supported on either end, and there's some load in the middle of it that it is holding up. The reason we put beams in is to span across a distance so we can have an open area in a house. Let's say, for an example, you want to take out the back wall of your house and you want to add to it and have a totally open area, but there's a load-bearing wall in the back of your house. What we can do is we can support the roof, blow out the wall, put in a big beam, put posts on the sides or attach it to the walls, and then you now have an LVL up there that's acting as a beam. A beam is a name for, a structural piece that's holding up, spanning a distance. And now you can have that open area that you're looking for. So realize that when you see LVL, all you should be thinking is, oh, that's a beam. Now, if you are struggling with reading your plans or you need assistance on how can I design like a kitchen or something, a lot of times when we're doing kitchen renovations or really big kitchen renovations or room additions, we have to design in those LVLs, those beams, in order to take out load-bearing walls that are like right in the middle and chopping up the space. It can be very annoying to have walls in the middle of everything, and knowing how to use beams properly is a great way to be able to open up a space, take out load-bearing walls, and if you know how to use them properly and design around that, you can definitely do it. So if you need help designing a renovation where you're thinking you need to take out some load-bearing walls and maybe add some LVLs, you can go to homelove.construction/design and we can help you design your project starting like right now. If you go to homelove.construction/design, and you can literally start working with one of our designers today. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate your attention. If this video brought you some value, hit the subscribe button. It does help me out a lot. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next vid. Peace.